What's going on, friend? Do you want to give up? I think so many times we do, and I just want to talk about this. So I'm going to read it to you. I think you're going to be able to relate to it. Hey, Waleed, random question. Do you ever, and be honest, ever feel or felt like quitting photography entirely? So the answer is yes. 1,000, a million times yes. Not just yes, but yes multiple times a year and multiple years. And I've shot some pretty huge people. And I've had a lot of success. And I've bought a home because of my photography. And I've paid off college. And I've gotten cars because of my photography. And I still want to give up? Yeah. And what I'm never going to do is to get up on my soapbox and pretend that I'm doing so good and all of you guys are the ones that are having these doubts and these frustrations. No, I'm right there with you guys. And I wish that more people were honest when I started out about their hardships. Here's the thing about entrepreneurship. If it was easy, everybody would do it. If it was easy, everybody would have a successful business. Everybody would stop working for somebody else. But it's not. It's incredibly difficult. It's incredibly lonely. It's concerning in so many ways. You question yourself about your skills, the tenacity, your artistry, your ability to lead something. You question all of that. And that's okay. It is so okay to go through that. It's incredibly normal. And I've worked for some really huge names, and they go through this too. And I know for a fact, because I've heard them talking about it. It's normal. This is part of being a human being, and a human being that wants to do something and chase a dream. It's not easy, and people are going to tell you, hey, if it's not working out, you should quit. If it's not happening yet, you should consider something else, something a little bit more reasonable. Let me tell you something. When people do that, people are not really talking to you, they're talking to themselves. They're talking about themselves. Because they couldn't do it, they think that you can't do it. I'll say that again. Because they couldn't do it, they think you can't do it. And that's a lot of BS. You want to ignore people like that. You never want to ask them for their opinions, and in fact, you want to demote them a little bit. All right? Because those people are dream killers. And then there's people that are going to tell you, you can't do it. You shouldn't do it. But they've done it. And you wonder, why do you want me to not do it, but you've done it? What's going on? I'm going to tell you what's going on. What's going on probably is that they see your talent, they see your immense ability, they see so much potential in you, and that scares them. And that scares them because they may not be confident about their expertise, and what they don't want is for you to come onto the market and to make an impact.
And what they don't want is for you to come onto the market and to make an impact.
So they tell you when you're down, when you're beginning, when you might be going through some hardship, hey, give it up, hang it up. You did a good job, pal. Hang it up. But they're not willing to hang up their own hat. No, you keep going. Ask yourself why they don't want you in the business. Probably because you scare them. Probably because you're phenomenal at what you do. And so you have to keep going. Entrepreneurship is incredibly difficult, as I said. I want you to ask yourself why you feel a certain way. So if you feel incredible, ask yourself, why do I feel incredible? I might feel incredible because I was able to charge what I want to charge, and I was able to have an incredible shoot, and I was able to get a client out of it. I feel incredible. Awesome. So if you feel great, write down, literally write down what made you feel great, so you know what to do more of. It's pretty simple. You just got to systemize it, okay? At the same time, if you feel defeated, what made you feel defeated? What made you go, oh man, I suck. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this. Did you have a bad shoot? Now, what was it about that shoot that was so horrible? And what did you do during that shoot that was so terrible? Write that down. So you know what not to do anymore. So you know what you need to attack and eliminate. Write it down. If you feel incredible, write it down. If you feel defeated, if you feel like giving up, what was it that made you feel that way? Why do you feel that way? What did you not listen to before? Did you not listen to your instincts? Did you not listen to advice? Did you not listen to your team? What was it? Let's write it down. Because what you're going to realize is there's going to be a pattern of things that make you feel incredible, and there's going to be a pattern of things that make you feel a certain way and make you want to give up. Once you recognize the pattern, now you know what to stop, or now you know what to do more of. All right? But you're not going to give up. And if you're a woman holding a camera, you are not allowed to give up at all. We need more women in photography. We need an equal voice. If you're a guy holding a camera, you keep holding your camera, but you keep going for it and you keep working hard. And yeah, I want to give up oftentimes. I've been wanting to give up for the past 10 years, but I don't. I give myself rest. I'll put a comma, but I won't put a period. And you do the same thing too. Okay? So yeah, you should feel like you want to give up sometimes. You're putting your heart and your soul into it. That's all right. You're not a loser if you think that way. But let's figure it out so that you feel that way a lot less. And you feel incredible a lot more. You got it. If you want to learn more about photography, click subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have a personal comment to share, put that in the comments too. I want to read it.